1.1 million views through my first 90 days on Instagram. 7,500 brand new followers. But I'm not one of these internet people that cares about views and followers. I only care about money in my fucking bank account. These views got funneled down into my ecosystem in the form of 1,900 new leads. And those new leads turned into $20,000 cash collected for my own info product. Now, this is not just something that I use for myself, this is something that I use for my clients as well. And you can see the results in this tab. This is a new client we onboarded a couple of days ago. And within the first couple of days, we've generated 824 new leads for him. We can go to the date range. If we filter out just 24 hours, 392 new leads generated for him. And the setter stat that we placed on board for him as well is going to crush, right? Where this is hands down a six-figure offer, but this is not a six-figure, a six-figure per month offer. But that's not the point of this video. The point of this video is to show you how I leverage AI to generate high quality pieces of content that bring us the highest quality of leads for myself and the other info products that I run. There's really only three AIs that you're going to use: Poppy AI, ChatGPT, and ManyChat. Let's start off with Poppy AI. Poppy is so powerful because it allows you to create your own database without having to know prompt engineering at a fine degree. I'll be transparent. Everything that you can do in Poppy AI, you can do in ChatGPT. It's just going to take a lot of prompt engineering. If you're anything like me, you do not have time for that. So this is essentially what you do. You're going to want a section with your piece of content, right? Through Poppy, you can link pieces of content into the AI itself. So it's able to extract the richest amount of data from your social medias specifically, right? You can link YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, Facebook ads, and Twitter videos as well. Now, it's not enough to just link your own, but you also have to link your competitors. This lady right here, she's not necessarily somebody that competes in my niche. It's just a format that I stole from her for transparency because I found it very effective for doing what I needed to do. Next, you need to have a section where you feed the AI information about your business. Now, this needs to be super in-depth because the issue with AI is that in order for it to be able to create extremely powerful pieces of content, it needs context. And what people fail to do is give it enough context so that it can yield the best outcome. And then they bitch and complain when the AI systems that they generate aren't producing what they want. I'll show you an example of how in-depth we go into creating this business data for our clients. Give me 1 second to pull this up. This is a previous offer that we ran, Theta Warrior, right? This is the creative brief, which is just the rich document that we created with all the information that we have about our ICP and the offer that we were selling. And you can see by rich document, we truly mean a rich document, right? It's 30 entire pages. If you are not going to this level of depth when you're conducting the market research for your own info product, you're going to struggle a lot. So I cannot emphasize this enough. You need to have a rich document because it not only helps you, but it also helps whatever AI software that you're using. So you have it in there, right? And then you have any extracurricular pieces of information about your business that you would want to feed into your AI, right? Then you give it scripting format. Then you give it scripting guidelines because the thing with AI, once again, is prompting it correctly and giving it proper guidance and context. A system prompt. Now, the system prompt is the second most important thing in this entire bot. The only thing that's above the system prompt is the content itself. The system prompt is something that you construct in order to basically gives the bot the yes and knows, the do's and the don'ts for being able to conduct what you want to conduct. And this is something that evolves over time as you see more things start to pop up. Right now, when all these things are put together, right, you can tie them in into a chatbot like this one, and I will literally show you how easy it is for me to create short form pieces of content. I like to separate these, right? So I have a chat for ideas, and I have a chat for actual scripting. So literally, all I do is give me 30 ideas for my versus format. Boom. Then I just wait for it to generate 30 ideas for me. So now that it's done, let's look at the results, right? It gives me my 30 ideas, but because of the system prompt that I gave it, right, it also gives me its reasoning. You have to make the bot think, right? So it categorizes each video by the specific pain points in relation to my ICP. Categorizes it by its limiting beliefs as well that are being addressed. Like these are typical bottlenecks or limiting beliefs that my ICP has towards why they can't sell an info product or why their info product is not scaling. And then it also gives us like top 5 highest viral potential, top 5 most actionable within 48 to within 24 to 48 hours. And this is that for the actionable step, right? This is something that I put into the master prompt, which is why it's so important. Now, let's say I go back over here and I want to pick something like scaling bottlenecks. All I do is highlight it, copy, open this other conversation thread. Let's flesh out this idea. Actually, I'd like to paste the entire thing like that. Boom. Okay. So now we can see the script that it just spit out. All right. 5K per month mentor versus 50K per month mentor. If you haven't been on Instagram, this is literally the format that's ripping for me right now. I see you hit 10K a month. Congrats. What's next? Man, I've been stuck at 10K for like 6 months. I can't break through. I'm working 60 hours a week, taking every call, delivering all the coaching myself. I want to scale, but I don't have time to take on more clients. I'm maxed out. Mentor B, did you hit the same wall? Yeah, 10K. Yeah, at 10K I hit a ceiling, but I didn't stay there. Here's what I did. I I looked at where my time was going. 30 hours a week on sales calls. Good. That's revenue generating. But 25 a week on fulfillment, coaching clients, answering questions, reviewing their work. That was my bottleneck. So I hired a fulfillment coach for 4K a month, trained them up on my process, gave them my SOPs, and handed off 80% of my client delivery. Got back 20 hours a week, used that time to take 10 more sales calls, close 4 more. You guys get the point, right? Now, of course, maybe I have to go in here and do some simplifying, right? And this is what ChatGPT is for. So maybe I have a line in here that is just too long, because sometimes it does spit that out. You can see it's already pulled up. Efficient phrasing suggestions. All you go is over here. You literally enter this prompt right here. Let's wait for this to load up. This makes it so easy. You just ask ChatGPT, What is a more efficient and punchy way to say this line? Keep in mind that this is part of a script for an Instagram reel, so keep it to an 8th grade reading level. And then you just insert the line you want to simplify. See, this makes it so much easier. Because before this, I would spend probably an hour and a half on a script, right? And I was constrained because I would only be able to script like 7 reels per week. And then I figured this out. And now I can script something in about 20 to 30 minutes, right? So my output just doubled, right? Because it takes me essentially half the time to do so. But this is not a scripting tutorial. This is a how do we use AI to put money in our pockets tutorial. So scripting and making the content is the first step, because you can do this for both YouTube. Let's not expose my client portfolios, right? Because you can do this for both YouTube and you can do this for Instagram. After you have winning piece of content that you have automated, all you have to do is connect ManyChat, right? This is a ManyChat account that we are that's part of one of the clients that we are actively managing right now. You can see through one automation, we have gotten almost 3,000 triggers in 6 days, right? So pretty much how it flows is like this. If you're wondering why these are turned off, it's because we actually we just transferred about 2 hours ago. We transferred these automations onto GHL, which is Go High Level. But we go in here, you can see the flow. This is the flow that we were using before when we were trying to collect emails. So it would be user comments on the reel, blah blah blah. Then it would ask something like this: most men have no idea how much blood flow affects control and confidence. I'll send you the free juice recipe that rebuilds stamina. If you don't know, we are on a men's sexual health offer. That's the offer that we're helping out with right now. Before, the pathing would go up here, right? So perfect. That video is only for people on my email list. Drop your email so I can send it over. Then if they sent it, we would tag them in the we would tag them in here and then deliver. If they didn't respond, right, we had a 24-hour delay. Then we would send a second automation, right? As a reminder, after we got that email there, right? Boom. Now we reduced the friction here because the purpose of ManyChat now was just to get people into the GHL because we collected the email and phone number and name through the GHL. So now it's a lot easier. So comment this again, and then just send them a link that sends them to a landing page on GHL, and I can pull that up here in a second. Then a 5-minute delay, right? And then this conversation starter where our setters pick up the conversation. Now, if I go into GHL and we go into sites, group opt-in, so yeah, in ClickFunnels, we can go to the landing page, right? This is if you remember this step right here, this link is to this landing page. And we can look at the stats right now. If we open this up, right? Remember, we just got on this offer a couple of days ago, right? If we filter this out, it's December 3rd. If we look at Monday through Tuesday, what lead flow looked like, 356 page visits, right? 117 total opt-ins. We're converting at about 38% Well, it's not about. It fucking says it right there. But you can see before we got on this offer, there's nothing, right? We can even go to the dashboard itself. I showed you what lead flow looked like earlier, and I'll give you a refresher. Just Monday through Tuesday. If you don't, if you're wondering what time it is right now, it is Wednesday, December 3rd at 1:35 a.m. So when I say that this data is fresh, I truly mean that this data is fresh, right? If we go back to just the 19th or 20th, you can kind of see the difference. What about a week ago? Did we turn this on a week ago? You can kind of see the difference. And then all of a sudden, there's this massive jump. What do you think happened? What do you think happened here? Right? Because what that turns into is if we open up the conversations, right, we can see how many conversations we're just having. All right, let's look 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 new conversations being had in 1 hour, right? That's why we need 3 setters on this offer, right? And that's essentially how we use AI to generate high quality leads that are going to pay us $9.5K up front. So please take this information and literally just plug it in to your own info product. Literally just do it. Right? Now, if you look in the description of this video, you're going to see a longer video, right? It's about an hour and a half, an hour and 45 minutes, where I literally just tell you my entire process for how I think about content and how I think about converting attention. So if you like this video, I implore you, go watch that next video because it's going to teach you exactly what you need to know. It's going to show you exactly what you need to do in order to scale your offer.